I earn a lot of rewards just by using my credit cards in creative ways. For over 10 years now, I have been earning frequent flyer mile rewards through the rewards network for my United MileagePlus account. I'm going to show you how to earn rewards on your dining just with the credit cards you have in your wallet. Today I'm going to show you how I have earned frequent flyer miles through United just by using my credit card and the reward network program. As you can see with my United MileagePlus account, I have a lot of frequent flyer miles. If you're not a United MileagePlus member, don't worry. They are partnered with many other different companies. So if you'd like to know a fast and easy way to earn more credit card rewards, stick around. This is the first video I'm showing exactly how I earn rewards with my credit cards. If you like the content of this video, please hit the like button. If you love it, please hit the subscribe button. That way I'll know to make more videos like this.
Right from the beginning, Rewards Network states that they will send you to the best places. And the great part of their program is that it is completely free to sign up. How it works is easy. You're going to need to register your credit card with Rewards Network, and then after you do that, after you have at least one credit card registered, you go through their directory and you find a restaurant that you're interested in trying out. You then simply just go to that restaurant, dine and pay, and you will earn rewards.
Basically, you set it and forget it. Sometimes I just earn rewards without any effort, because once you set your credit card information, it's in there. Sometimes I look through the directory to know which restaurants I can earn frequent flyer rewards with, but oftentimes I just go to restaurants and I don't even look into anything, especially when I'm on vacation. I'll just dine at certain restaurants and I'll come home, and in about a month later I'll see in my United MileagePlus account that I earned rewards for a restaurant that I visited. It's a great way of earning rewards without jumping through hoops.
When you go online to visit the directory, it will give you some basic information about the restaurants in your area. It will give you member ratings of experiences of other diners who went to the same restaurant. It will also give you information on when you can dine at these restaurants, because they're not all 7 days a week. When you are getting started, there are different categories, and it is important to understand what your goals are. So you can do things as simple as earning frequent flyer miles, hotel stays, you want cash back, you want to help people, or you want to save your money. To make it easier for everyone, I have a screenshot of the companies that have partnerships with Rewards Network. So if you see something that you're already a part of, like Southwest Rapid Rewards, and you're already earning frequent flyer miles, you may want to join this program to help earn faster rewards.
If you're already a member of this program and you have tips that I haven't talked about in this video, leave them in the comments below.
If I have to think back, the earliest memories I have of using dining rewards through United was back 2007. So I have used it all this time, and all my information has been kept safe, but they don't require as much information as other programs might ask for, and mainly that would be expiration day and the security code on the back. Another good thing about not requiring an expiration date is that you never have to go into your account and update your credit card information. You do it once and it's done. It's pretty straightforward. You just click on the type of credit card you have, whether it's a Visa, Mastercard, American Express, or Discover. An important thing to know is that you can only be part of one program at a time. So if you choose the United MileagePlus program, you can only earn rewards with that program. You can't earn twice. You can't simultaneously earn rewards together with another program. And there are a maximum of 12 credit cards that can be registered. There are different reward structures, and that all depends upon how much you use the program. So obviously, if you use it a lot, they're going to start to reward you more. If this is where you're at, you will want to look closer at the terms and conditions. Now, oftentimes they're going to offer special promotions, and usually that happens when you first sign up. As you can see here, this is with United MileagePlus. They are giving a 2,500 mile bonus within your first 30 days if you dine at a certain amount of restaurants. So every program is going to be different, and you'll need to check each program to see if there's a bonus program when you're starting out. But also keep in mind that even if you're a member for a while, there'll be different times where there'll be special programs where you can even earn more rewards.
Along with this video is a blog post even giving more detail about the Rewards Network program. In addition, I've added some links that are associated with the different partners and that you might find useful. So if you're interested in reading the article, it's a review article. If you're interested in reading about it, just click in the link below this video.
Now, there are different credit cards you can use to help earn rewards and earn higher rewards. And I recommend having a credit card for earning dining rewards or a higher rate of dining rewards. And two good examples of this is the Capital One Savor, which will earn you 4%, and the Fifth Third Bank Trio Rewards, which will earn you 3% on dining. So ideally, you want to use these credit cards when you're making a purchase so that you earn the maximum amount of rewards possible. First from your rewards credit card, and then from the rewards network. Even better, you have a chance with the Discover It card to earn the most rewards. However, that's only going to happen typically in the third quarter or the summer quarter, where you can earn up to 10%. And you'll earn 10% if it's your first year. And how they do this is you earn 5% and you get access to those rewards right away. And then you get access to the other 5% at the time of your anniversary. So after you have been a card holder for 1 year, they'll then release the other 5%. So in total, you will get 10% cash back on dining. And right now, that's what I've been doing. Every dining purchase, I've been putting it on my Discover It card because it is my first year. So I'm earning a lot of rewards. I've also used the Rewards Network, so I'm earning 10% and United MileagePlus frequent flyer miles. So I'm really maximizing the amount of rewards that I could possibly earn. I'm going to show you what the typical reward structure has been for the Discover It card for the last 2 years. As you can see, the summer or third quarter has been restaurants, but I'm showing you this in case you want to see what other rewards they have been offering, and maybe you can find this as a useful credit card to have.
So if you visit creditfast.com, you can compare and apply for the different credit cards I talk about in this video.
But the thing is, you don't necessarily even have to get a new credit card. There could be reward credit cards in your wallet right now that will work just fine. And these are the cards I recommend because they're just not 1% cash back. These cards offer a little bit more. And the Citi Double Cash will give you 1% on your purchases and then 1% as you pay for those purchases. And then a credit card that I have had for a long time, or it has really been my first reward credit card since I started rebuilding my credit, has been the Capital One Quicksilver card. And I'm really happy with that one because it's very straightforward. when I'm making purchases that don't fit into any kind of special category. This is a very easy credit card to use. The rewards do not expire. So you know the rewards will expire with the Citi Double Cash if you don't use them during a certain time frame. But with Capital One Quicksilver, as long as you keep your account in good standing and open, your rewards will not expire. And I like that. It's very easy and simple to use. And typically what I do is once I earn a certain amount of rewards, I take a statement credit, and that's how I use my cashback rewards. But you have different options like getting a check or redeeming your rewards for gift cards. I'd also like to note that every credit card I've talked about in this video, I have with the exception of the Capital One Savor card. So I have been using these cards. I recommend it because these are cards I have and I use, but I also recommend them because I've had good experiences using these cards, and I have used many of them for many years now, and I have good experiences using customer service. In particular, I really like my Discover card and my Capital One card. But again, the other cards I've recommended, I've had no customer service issues of any kind.
If you'd like to learn more or apply for the credit cards we talked about today, and it's a great way to support this channel, please visit the links that are provided in the description below. I'd like to dedicate this video today to my subscribers. I've almost hit 600 subscribers, and I appreciate every one of you. Thank you for your support, and I hope I can bring more content that you will enjoy. So you've made it to the end. Thank you. I hope you found this video informative, how you can earn more credit card rewards. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Until next time.